The Centers for Disease Control has increased the number of countries in Africa at risk for Ebola from 3 to 10. And a third entry point is open for Americans traveling from those high-risk countries back into the United States. Atlanta's airport is now offering enhanced screening along with Houston and Washington's Dulles airports. CBS's Holly Williams has the latest on the virus outbreak.
There is no approved vaccine for this strain of Ebola, and it's spreading in a part of the Democratic Republic of Congo that's plagued by poverty and by violence. This man says his older brother is one of the suspected victims of the deadly virus. International help is arriving, but doctors and nurses are also contending with suspicion and the spread of misinformation about the disease, which has a mortality rate of around 50%. This past week, an angry crowd set fire to part of a hospital in eastern Congo, demanding the body of a young man thought to have died from the virus. The authorities need to ensure safe burial to stop the spread of Ebola, and funeral wakes have been temporarily banned. What must be avoided is picking up rumours and spreading them, said Dr. Abdul Sebu Shishe, who's working with an international NGO to combat the outbreak. Dr. Peter Stafford, an American medical missionary, contracted Ebola while working at a local hospital in eastern Congo. He's now being treated in Germany, weakened but not critically ill. His wife, Dr. Rebecca Stafford, and their 4 young children were also evacuated and have all tested negative for the virus. In eastern Congo, they've set up checkpoints, including this one at the airport, to stop Ebola from travelling. Any passenger who arrives showing signs of Ebola must not board the plane, said Aimé Prosper, because they are someone who could go on to spread the disease elsewhere. The World Health Organization says the risk of this strain of Ebola spreading globally is low. Earlier this week, the US suspended entry for non-American citizens who've been to the Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda or South Sudan in the preceding 21 days. On Friday, that was extended to green card holders. Holly Williams, CBS News.